So, you started home labbing, but you have one problem. You don't have a server. And you have another problem.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
But that's okay. I'm here to help you. Roll the intro. Today I'm going to talk to you about what every home labber needs in their home lab. And that's a server. Now, times are hard out there. The Dow's doing stuff according to this lady, but don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to tell you about the server I use and what you can use too, and it also won't break the bank. The HP EliteDesk, or in my case, the HP EliteDesk 800 G4. It's a mini PC in other words. So fun story, I was going to get a Raspberry Pi just to see what all the hype was about, but I found myself in a second-hand PC parts store, and the guy that I was talking to recommended this over the Raspberry Pi. I'm glad I took his advice. So let's start with the most important thing. How much is this going to cost me? I've seen this range from $200 to about $250. Luckily for me, I was able to get a discount and got it for $185. So, what are the specs? So for mine, we're looking at a Intel Core i5-8500T processor. For the RAM, we're looking at DDR4 RAM that supports up to 32 gigs. For storage, out of the box, you're normally looking at 256 gigs or 512 gigs. However, I've seen people upgrade this to 2 terabytes worth of storage. You're looking at a Ethernet connection as well as both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. For ports, well, this baby can fit so many ports. On the front, we're looking at 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C port. On the back, we're looking at 4 additional USB ports as well as a HDMI port as well. For your graphics card, it's pretty basic. We're running a integrated Intel UHD 630 graphics card. Nothing to write home about, so don't plan on running anything intense. However, I have seen people hook up a full-blown external gaming GPU to this thing to give it a little more power. Power usage is very low. We're looking at about 8 to 15 watts when idle, so it's good for if you want to always keep this thing up and running. OS wise, they normally come with either Windows 10 or Windows 11. When I got mine, it came with Windows 10. For a while, I was dual booting it with the Ubuntu server OS till I got used to everything, but eventually I just got rid of Windows altogether. Overall, it has great specs for a simple home lab server, and you also have room to upgrade it as well if you want. Right now, I'm currently running Pi-hole for a DNS sinkhole, Waza for a SIM, Cowrie honeypot, and then I'm also running Suricata and Snort as well. I also went ahead and installed a local AI model on here just to see if it would work or not. It does, but due to that GPU, it's running very slow. And I mean very, very slow. But I just want to see if I could run the local AI on this thing or not. I'm sure as time goes on, I'm going to be installing more on it, but as of right now, that's all I'm running on it so far. Overall, I love it. It's great if you're starting off with home labbing. I've also seen people buy clusters of these things and just combine them all into one big server. So yeah, this was just a quick video. I want to get straight to the points for you guys. Down in the comments, let me know if you guys have one, if you like it, if you don't like it. Also, if you guys have more than one of these things and just combined a whole cluster into one big server, let me know how that's working out for you. I know eventually I want to get more of these in the future, but I just want to see how everyone's working with it when it comes to clustering these things together. Like always, thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.